Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. Today you will learn how to extract text between 2 points using PDFco document parser template editor. We will use this sample PDF invoice and extract the text between bill to and US phone number. Let's begin. First, log into your PDFco account. On your PDFco dashboard, click the Document Parser menu and click the New Template button. Now, let's load the source file. We will now extract the Lanny Lane Limited and phone text. Let's start by clicking on the Add Object button and select the Add field from Text Search. In the expression field, let's add the starting point. Then, click on the Insert Macro button and select Spaces. Now, let's add the name value. Then, click on the Insert Macro button and select Anything Macro. We will now add the US phone number macro, which is our stopping point. Once you're done adding the expression, click on the Regex box and run the test object. Here's the extracted text between 2 points. For more video tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.